So, very good morning, children. So, I hope you all remember what we are studying in the last class. So, under the topic a number beyond 100. So, under the topic number beyond 100, we are dealing with the concept called number representation. So, I hope you all remember. Meena ma'am have taught you what is meant by number representation. So, today also, with no delay, we are going to revise the same topic, which is called number representation. Okay? So, are you all ready? Okay, I want quick answers. Okay, so this class will be more interactive. Okay, I promise you this class will be more interactive. So, be ready with your number, key number. Okay, keypads. Okay, you will be messaging, keep on messaging. Okay, I will be asking you questions. So, it's just a revision class. We are going to revise the number representation. So, as you already studied, we are dealing with the numbers along with the blocks, right? So, this block is a single cube and it represents the ones. Okay, and it represents the ones. It's a very single cube. And the next thing is, as we already studied, it's a tens block. So, how many single cubes are there? If you count, you can see 10 single cubes joined together. So, it's representing the tens. Is it right or not? It's representing the tens, right? Yes, Roshan Ram is right. Only Roshan Ram is answering me. Yes. So, it's a tens block and it's representing the tens. And the next block is this. As you already studied, it's contains 100 single cubes. So, this block represents the hundreds. Right? Okay. So, with the help of the blocks, we also came across, yes, very good children. Yeah, it's 100. So, with the help of this block, we represented the numbers, right? We can say numbers with the help of the blocks, okay? And I hope you also studied few examples last class. Today also, ma'am will show you some more examples for better understanding, okay? And the first example is this. Okay, so if you keenly watch this, how many 100 blocks are there? How many 100 blocks are there? 1, 2, and 3. So, yes, you are right. So, there are 300 blocks. So, the number is starting with 300. Okay, it's very clear. So, the number is starting with 300. So, under the column 100, let's put number 3. Okay, and for your kind information, no need to copy this. I will ask you to copy few sums. So, that's enough for copying. Okay, no need to copy this sum. Okay, it's just an example. Okay, and in tens place, how many blocks are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, under tens, you are placing number 4. And then, yeah, Tanisha, you are right. In tens place, there are 4 tens. And moving to the ones place, how many ones cube you can see? Yes, it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, under ones column, we are placing 5. So, what is the number we get? What is the number we are getting at the last? 3, 4, 5. Yes, finish. Yes, 345. So, in 345, how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. And how many tens are there? 4 tens, 40, right? So, 4 tens are there. And how many ones are there? It's very simple. We are having 5 ones. So, 345. So, with the help of the blocks, very good children, with the help of the blocks, we can represent the numbers also, and the first example is 345. Super. Can we move to the next example? Yeah, like the previous example, this also it's a 3-digit number, and how many hundred blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 500 blocks are there. And how many tens blocks are there? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god. So here 7 tens are there. Yes, Tanisha. Yes, Lakshya, you are right. Super. So 7 tens are there. Yes, Kavya, super. And how many ones are there? How many ones? Mana, count it properly. Yes, there are 8 ones. So 500, 710 and 8 ones. Yes, Moksha. So the number is 578. So let me ask someone, okay? Now let me ask someone. They are going to tell me, they are going to help me, and tens and ones are there, okay? If you want to really answer, you can press the question more so that I can give you chance so that you can help me with the answer. So I'm going to ask Tanisha first. Tanisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Tanisha. So with the blocks we are studying numbers, right? Now you are going to
Yes,
tell me how many hundreds are there?
500, ma'am.
Sorry?
500.
Yes, very good, superb. So in 578, we are having 500. Superb, Tanisha, good, superb. And the next is Lakshya Reddy. Okay, Lakshya Reddy is going to tell me. Lakshya, unmute your call. Yeah, going to tell me how many tens are there in this number. Lakshya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Lakshya, please help me with the tens here. How many tens are here?
7.
Superb. And can you also tell me how many ones are there?
8.
Superb, superb, Lakshya. Thank you. Thank you, Lakshya. So, yeah, dear. Thank you. So, in 578, we will be having 500, 7 tens and 8 ones. Superb. So, the next example is this one, okay? So in other case, the numbers will be also given, okay? Numbers will be also given, and they will also ask about the blocks. So in this example, the number is given, and we are dealing with the blocks, okay? So the number is 879, okay? So 879. So in this case, let me ask Siddharth. Siddharth is going to tell me how many hundreds are there in this example, okay? Yeah,
Yes.
Siddharth. Yeah, the number is 878, okay? How many hundred blocks can you see now?
8. And 8.
Yes. Yes, Siddharth, very good. So you are having 8 blocks, okay? 800 blocks are there, okay? Then what about the tens?
7.
Yes, so in tens place we are having 7 tens, okay? Okay, then what about the ones?
9.
Superb, superb, Siddharth, superb. So Siddharth is telling that we are having 8 hundreds, 7 tens and 9 ones, okay? So let me ask someone, what is this number? Akshaya? Can you hear me, Akshaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshaya. So you are going to tell me that 8 hundreds, 7 tens and 9 ones. What is the number you are having now?
879.
Very good, Akshaya, superb. So yes, so this example is telling that 879 as 800, 7 tens and 9 ones. Superb children, those who got chance, you are good. I think you are understood the concept. So the number is 879 for you. Superb. So the next thing we are going to read is, so we came to know, yeah, from this you are going to write, okay. The next concept, from this you are going to write in your box note. Please open your box note and put today's date. From this you are going to copy it in your classwork, and I will be asking you to submit your classwork also. So please open your box note, put today's date, and okay, let me start explaining this first. So so far we have discussed about blocks and the number representation, right? So under that we also we are going to come across the standard and expanded form. I hope you already know what is the standard and expanded form, but now in hundreds also we are going to represent the numbers in standard and expanded form. Okay, so just see this example. Okay, so let me ask someone. Yeah, Manasa is going to answer me now. Manasa? Yes, Manasa. Yes, 400 and
446.
Superb. So the blocks are also helping you, right? There are 4 under blocks, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manasa, superb. So as Manasa told, superb Manasa, as Manasa told, this number is 446. Why? Because it has 4 hundreds and 4 tens, and you can see 6 ones. Okay, 6 ones blocks are there, so it's 446. And there will be question like this: write the standard form for 446. So you will be wondering what is the expanded form and standard form. It's very easy. Okay, the standard form is writing the numbers. Okay, only you will write the numbers as 446. Okay, so this is called the standard form. The expanded form is something different. Okay, you are going to write the number names over there. Okay, if they are going to ask write the expanded form for the number 900, means you will simply write the spelling for 9 and followed by the 100 spelling. Okay, so it's very easy, 900. Okay, so these are the two forms, which is the standard and expanded form. Okay, first thing is you have to keenly watch the blocks. Okay, if you are going to get the questions like this, the first thing you should remember is you are going to keenly watch the blocks, and you are going to decide how many under blocks are there, how many tens blocks are there, and how many ones blocks are there. So it's done. So you will be arriving the number like 446, 447, like that. Okay, next thing is you are going to write the standard form, which is the number form, and next you are going to write the number name. Very simple. Okay, so I hope you can understand this concept. Okay, for better understanding we can also see some of examples. Okay, are you all ready to answer me? Yes. Okay, and I request everyone to copy this sum. Okay, no need to draw the blocks, just copy the number 446 and write what are the standard form and expanded form. I will be giving you 2 minutes to copy this sum. Okay, come on, take your note, put today's date and write the number 446 and write standard form and expanded form. Once you are done with this sum, please let me know. I can move to the next example. If you draw a test message so that I can understand that you are done with the sum. Okay, Nivan is telling done. Roshan is telling no. Okay, Roshan, no problem. I will be waiting for you. Punesh is telling yes, I'm finished. Roshan is also telling yes. Okay, I will be waiting for the next 2 minutes to complete this problem. So take your time and finish it off. No need to draw the blocks. Just write the numbers 446 and the standard form and expanded form. That's it. Once again, I'm repeating, no need to draw the blocks. Just write 446 and the standard and expanded form. Okay, done. 4 of them have told me done. And at the top, I can see 3 of them finishing off. All others, please drop the message once you are done. I'm waiting for you. Yes, Sai Darshan, I'm waiting for you. Write it fast. No need to draw the blocks here. Just copy the number and write the standard and expanded form. Yes, Roshan is also telling done, ma'am. I can see that. Kavya, Siddharth, Pragati, Sai Darshan, Ilan, superb children. You are too energetic as always. So can I move to the next one? Okay, Sai, I will be waiting. For the next 1 minute, I will be waiting. Manav and Sai, finish it off. Okay, super. So moving to the next example, those who are still writing, no problem. I will also post this in Google Classroom under the classwork. So you can see to that and also you can finish off your classwork, okay? So no problem. So I'm just moving to the next example. So the next example is 5 to 5, okay? So those who are still writing the first example, no problem. You can move to the second example. I will be posting the questions in Google Classroom, so you can see to that and write. Now please move to the second example, which is 5 to 5. Okay. So the first thing is you are going to observe how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, and how many ones are there. Okay. And side by I am going to call someone to tell me the answer, and that is Nivan Narayanan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nivan, can you see the second example on the screen?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, Nivan, now what you are going to do is you are going to tell me how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones are there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me how many hundreds are there.
5.
Okay, how many tens?
2.
Okay, and how many ones?
5.
Superb. So the number is?
525.
Wow, superb, Nivan, superb. Okay, you can continue writing, Nivan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. And next I will be having Sai Mokshit to help me out with the expanded and standard form. Okay. So Sai Mokshit. Sai Mokshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sai, as Divan told, this number contains 500, 2 tens and 1 5s, I mean 5 ones. So 525 is the number. Now you are going to tell what is the standard form. How you can write the standard form?
Standard form is 5.
Just writing.
10,
Yes.
25.
Okay, superb. So will you write the numbers or the number names in standard form?
Numbers.
Yeah. So superb, Sai. Superb. Thank you. Thank you, Sai.
And can you move my...
Yeah, you can mute your call, dear. So as Sai Mokshit told, in standard form we will be writing only the numbers. So come on, this is your second example. Make a note of it in your note. And the standard form, I mean the expanded form, is you will be writing your number names. Very simple. The spelling for 5 and the spelling for 100 and 25. So this is the expanded form. So once you are done with the example 2, please let me know. I can move to the next example. Yeah, I will be waiting for the next 2 minutes version. Please make it fast. No need to draw the blocks. Write the numbers alone and write the standard and expanded form. Yeah, those who are still writing, I will be waiting for the next 2 minutes. Finish it off. And those who are done, oh my god, you are really energetic. Superb. Keep up this good work, okay? And those who are still writing, make it fast. Okay, super. So the second example is 5 to 5. So the next example is very simple. It's 7 pi 7. Okay. So let me call who's there in the line? Okay, let me call Rohan Karthik. Rohan?
757, ma'am.
Okay, Rohan. Okay, how many hundreds, tens and ones are there?
700, 5,
Okay.
and 1.
Okay. How many ones? 7 ones. Yes. Okay, super, Rohan. And the next question is, in standard form, how we are supposed to write?
757.
So in standard form, you will be writing the number names or numbers?
Number names, ma'am.
In standard form, you will be writing the numbers or number names? In standard form,
Numbers.
I'm asking. Yes, very
Numbers.
good. Superb. Yeah, superb. So, yes, Rohan, thank you so much. So, that's Rohan for you. And superb, Rohan, thank you. So, the third example is 500 and, yeah, dear, thank you. So, the third example is 557. And the standard form, it's the numbers 757, and the expanded form is 757. Super. Our children, make it fast so that I can move to the next example also. And I want Ilan to be ready. Okay, next question will go to Ilan. So Ilan, be ready. And children, once you are done with the third example, please tell me so that I can move to the fourth example. I want the message from everyone, okay, so that I can understand that everyone is writing. So yes, the last question is this, okay, and this chance goes to Ilan. Where is Ilan? Ilan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ilan, so the last question goes to you, Ilan. Can you see the number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ilan, so how many tens, hundreds and ones are there?
9 ones, 8 and 600.
Wow, okay, super. So what is the number?
689.
Okay, super, Ilan. Thank you so much. You can continue copying this sum, Ilan. Thank you. And I request Kavya to answer me. Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kavya. Now you are going to tell me what is the standard form for the above number. As I have not typed, you are going to think and tell me. What is the standard form? Will you write the numbers or number names?
Number.
Okay, so what is the number given above?
6, 8,
Yes.
9.
Okay, superb. So in standard form,
689.
very good, very good. So as Kavya told, in standard form you will be having 689 as answer. And now Aksha is going to tell me what is meant by expanded form and what is the answer. Okay, Aksha. Aksha Vijay.
Hello.
Yes, Aksha. Now tell me what you will be writing in the expanded form.
689.
Okay, so will you writing the number or the number names?
Number names.
Okay, super. Super,
Yeah.
Aksha, you are right. Yeah, love you too, Aksha. You are right. Okay, so that is Aksha for you, and she is right. So the last example, as I off the screen, not to worry, the last example is 698. Okay, so I will drop this also in chatter box, 698. So the last example is 698. So children, with this we came to a end of the session. That is, we studied about the blocks, the number representation, and also we also came across the expanded and standard form. So are you all clear with this? Let me know. I want answer from everyone whether you're clear. Are you clear with the expanded form? And those who not yet got the chance, don't worry. You will get chance in the next math period. Okay. So don't worry for that. I will give you chance for the in next class. So I hope you are all understood the concept, right? Okay. Can I move to the attendance now?